People come to me all the time asking about if they should start flipping on their own. And I recommend, especially for your first flip, that you start building a power team. Now that power team, you're gonna need 4 professionals on it. Drew Allen here with the Calgary Home Sale Channel. I'm a realtor and investor in Calgary, Alberta. And here we actually help you out with tips to help you sell quicker and buy smarter. The first one, very important, I'm putting them first, is your lender. I don't care who the lender is. That could be you. If you look into your bank account and you got enough money to do the flip, then you're the lender. If it's family and friends, then that's another one. Yep. Well, what else we're thinking about on your lender list? You're probably going to be looking at a mortgage broker if you're looking at your professional, or you can even go in directly to your bank. Important thing is figure out your finances before you jump into this thing. How much money you can spend and how much money you have to actually do a renovation. The next person on this power team is going to be a real estate agent. Interview a bunch if you need to. The good thing about a real estate agent is that they're going to be able to help you out with the market statistics, comparable sales, helping you to find properties, and definitely once your project is done to help you sell it. Now, as far as finding properties, you could actually be looking for properties on your own, dealing with for sale by owners or connecting with other investors, but an investor-focused agent is definitely going to be able to help you with that as well. The next thing up on your list is going to be a general contractor. Find yourself a good one, make sure you interview a few, and dial them in into exactly what it is that you're doing. You're going to be flipping properties. If you're not doing the work all yourself, let the general contractor know that there's a solid scope of work for them to be coming on board with. Why you want them with you is because you're going to need quotes. You're going to be coming across properties and you're going to need to know how much it's going to cost to actually fix and repair these things. The contractor can help you out with that in a relatively quick period of time. You can put this into your budget and move on. And lastly, on your power team, you're going to need to have a good lawyer. There are contracts involved. Your real estate agent is going to be very familiar with the contracts that are used, but you're probably going to have some other questions with regards to buying and selling. That's where your lawyer comes in. If there are clauses in there that you're not familiar with, or you need some special ones written up, the lawyer is going to help out with that. Also, the lawyer's job would be to transfer the title into and out of your name once the project is done. And there you go. You got yourself 4 professionals that are going to be on your team to help you win when you're flipping your properties. Of course, that's just the overview. There's so much more we can get into with regards to flipping. So in the next video, I think what I'll do is we'll go into sorting out your financing. Where can you get this stuff done and how to go about it? Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more, like this video, and leave a comment or 2 down below if you have any questions or anything else that you want us to go through here on the Calgary Home Sale Channel. My name is Drew. Thanks very much for checking us out, and I'll catch you in the next video.